Hello there. I have got a project to share with you today, this pillow box right here. And I shared it quite a while ago, but now I want to show you how to make it because it's just so incredibly quick. So let me scoot some of this mess off to the sides so that we can get started. Okay, first I think I'll pull in the pillow boxes. So these are square pillow boxes. There are 10 in a package. So we'll pull one of these out. They're a nice heavy cardstock, and I believe I should have verified. I'm pretty positive they're food safe. So they're already creased, and I'm just kind of working those scored lines just so that when I put it together, it folds just a little more easily. So we'll kind of just go around there a bit. All right. And then what I absolutely love about these, we've had, so I've been a demonstrator almost 23 years, and we've had some pillow boxes over the years. These blow the others out of the water for a number of reasons. First of all, I love the square shape and the size. Amazing. Very usable. I mean, it's a good size, good, you could fill it with candy or a little gift. But what I absolutely love is this right here, because what it's going to do as it folds over, sorry, trying to keep it on the camera as I fold. When it folds over like this, the trick in the past has always been, oh my gosh, I've got to make sure I get my adhesive in there and I use a strong enough adhesive and all of that. Well, this will peel back and there is adhesive already there. So I can line those corners up again and just press that down in. I'm just kind of sticking my hand here and pressing it down. And it is such a great, strong hold. You don't have to worry about having any special adhesive to put the pillow box together. This, though, is going to play an important role. So make sure you hang on to that when you're making these pillow boxes. Okay, get that creased good, and then I'm going to snip off this little bit right here. Peel this back. You don't need both of these, you just need one of them. So just make sure you at least hang on to one. Same thing, I'm going to kind of stick this time. Well, I could put my hand in sideways, I guess, like this. Okay. So this is what I've got, and then you'll simply fold there and there to secure whatever little gift you put in your pillow box. But now we have to decorate it and make it cute like this one. So let me walk you through how I did that. So the square pillow boxes, you'll see it does say food safe. I didn't have to guess. It does say food safe right there. So they definitely are food safe. These are a new item in our mini catalog. You can find them in my online store. The next couple of products I'm going to show you are part of our Sale-a-Bration offering. And so for the rest of this month, it continues. And for every $50 you order, you get to choose a free gift. And this is one of the free options. It's softly stippled 12 by 12 designer paper. And so I'm going to use a couple of patterns out of it. This pool party pattern, and then also this one, also pool party floral. And I've got my 2 3/8 circle punch. So I am going to pop out a circle, and we will use that. I'll just set it up here for now. And then I am going to, actually, I want this side facing out. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this over, grab a pencil, and this is where this comes into play. So I'm just going to trace 2 of these. And then apparently I can't talk and trace. I have to concentrate. Then I'm done with these. As soon as I trace them, I'm done. And then I'll just take my paper snips and cut these out. It's a nice, easy, curved but straight line cut. There's not any little details you need to worry about. So those will go around. And I just remembered I didn't grab adhesive from my desk. This would be where if this wasn't live, we would just pause quick, run and get the adhesive and come back and you'd never know. But because it is live, I'm gonna have to compromise and do something. I'm not sure what. Okay, so these are cut and ready to go and they will fit right in here like this, okay? And that's all I did on this original one. So that gets stuck there. This one is stuck here. And it just adds to that decorative box as opposed to just having the sides white. So we might have to just use our imagination on that one. Let me pull in, this is Crinkle ribbon, the Pool Party Crinkle ribbon. This is another Sale-a-Bration option. So with a $50 order, this could be something else you choose. There are lots of options of exclusive Sale-a-Bration products. And then this month, they actually added some products from our current catalogs that you can get for free as well. I'm just kind of doing a pretend bow here to gauge how much to cut. So anyhow, you can choose Sale-a-Bration exclusive items, or you can choose some of your favorite things from the catalog and get those for free with your $50 order as well. So I'll put some links so you can see exactly what your options are. This, I'm kind of standing the box on its end to tie a bow at the top. So I just, so I pull it this way, but then whenever I do a bow, I pull it perpendicular just to get it a little bit tighter. Put my finger on there, hold it with my other finger, and wrap this around. So hopefully this will stay lovely. I want the loops to be kind of big on this. And then I can just trim the ends a little bit. Hold it. Let's go this way. And we'll do this one. Okay, now we've got that. I gotta do this one more, sorry. Okay, so we've got that. We are pretending that the sides are glued on and using our imagination for that. And then this piece actually gets attached with Stampin Dimensionals. So I'm just going to put a few on here, just kind of around the outside. I'm not putting one in the middle because that's where it's going to go over the ribbon. So this I'm just, well, let's scoot the ribbon to the middle. And then I'll put the circle right over it. And that just gets centered on the front of the pillow box. Easy as that. Then I pulled in this greeting, Friend and Sweet Sorbet ink. I like that little pop of color there. And then I've just got some scrap of red. I think it's an inch. Let me flip over. Yep, it's an inch wide. And I'll just ink up Friend and stamp it right there. And then I'm just going to use my scissors and cut hopefully what is a straight line right there. And then we'll add that to the circle also with Stampin Dimensionals. And then the last little thing is a new embellishment that we have in the mini catalog. So I'm just going to kind of do it a little bit cockeyed like that. These are called Adhesive Backed Hearts and Flowers. And the colors in here are really fun. There's Pool Party. There's some red, pink, yellow, all sorts of colors. And there's hearts and there's flowers. So I'm going to pull off this big pink flower here and just put it there. It's absolutely lovely that it's got adhesive on the back and you don't even have to worry about that. And they stick really well. So there it is. And again, our imagination. that is on the sides. Let me just pull the completed one in just to show you better. So it's really so quick and easy. You could put a little gift in here. You could put some chocolates in here. But how fun would it be to just leave this with your hairdresser, with the person who does your nails, with a coworker, somebody at the post office or the bank? It's just such a sweet little gift that would brighten someone's day and just so easy to create. So, biggest tip, hang on to these, trace it, put it on there, and then just use whatever colors and greenings that you want. You can make a little birthday pouch if you wanted. Endless creative opportunities. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.